We're here at Aberdeen Station, where Story Contracting are delivering the Canopy renewal works on behalf of Network Rail. Aberdeen Station is a Category A listed building with canopy structures over the platforms and main concourse, comprising of steel trusses and Georgian wire glazing. Water had penetrated the existing roof fabric over several years, creating slip hazards and property damage to the station. The old glazing panels cracked and failed often, but limited access made roof maintenance difficult and costly. The refurbishment project will run for 11 months and involves the removal of the existing glazing, which will be reinstated with a TwinFix polycarbonate system which mimics Georgian wired glazing. We were able to take experience from the canopy replacement works we previously delivered at Stirling, where we installed almost 5,000 new polycarbonate glazing panels in the busy Central Scotland station. To deliver the works at Aberdeen above the busy main concourse, we have chosen a crash deck solution formed of lightweight aluminium instead of the traditional birdcage scaffold. This has resulted in a minimum number of footings in the concourse, creating large open areas below. This has helped maintain good light levels and good pedestrian flow during busy periods. The entire crash deck is on a set of runners, allowing it to slide into the next phase of works, minimising the lengthy strip and rebuild times inherent with a traditional birdcage scaffold. There are also safety benefits as it reduces the work at height requirements for the scaffolders. Aberdeen concourse is voids below the floor due to service routes and redundant corridors. A traditional birdcage scaffold would have required extensive temporary works to spread the loads over these voids. However, our lightweight aluminium solution having less footings has allowed us to avoid the voids below. In total, we've installed over 10,000 polycarbonate glazing panels and relined 1.7 kilometres of gutter and verge deck, providing 20 years maintenance-free life for the station. These works have been carried out without affecting the operational railway or the 8,000 commuters who use the station daily.
The package of works at Aberdeen Station over the last 11 months have enhanced the station and greatly improved the customer experience. This was a collaborative project between Network Rail, Story Scotland and the local station team, who worked together to ensure services ran as normal and any temporary disruption was kept to a minimum, with customers benefiting from the enhancements.
The communication with the Story team throughout the project was really good and ensured that the disruption to passengers was kept to a minimum. It's been a great experience working with the Story team and to see the results here in Aberdeen Station.